Anuanom ni adofo samre me cheche obia. Ene den so me ba be kire mo se de in case be a USB port ana se any other charging port bia se asay na se awai afri o motherboard so ana se o main board so a say your mobile phone, say your laptop, any other machine be a use no betimi asenya repair no wetimi I use sa de chrono. I say in case be a wuhia data will more full data recovery crana will betimi so use now recover with data. Said is say whom will photo no so no say I USB port na abu free motherboard no so nti amremba be try ama rescue no said the nipa kro no customer no betimi asenya use biem anytime biara sa ports we no ebebu a free board no so no ya na still ya na connections no ewo board no so a we use microscope a ubetimi ahu sa points no na wa join with small wires no what me assign a resolder USB port no said the ubetimi a use machine na nia ehia ne say so we try now resolder I also use UV mechanic curing solder na udi kind secure solder points na udi kind join no said the NY free board no so easily na we no so no na wa bo modern na we use hot glue and I say high labor na wodi a good port no achi because in a Wi-Fi free was and connections now joining you know ensure that any ahoden too much say a bit me a hold USB port no emu until also use high labor and I say hot glue na wodi gu USB port nachi said a bit me a hold no firm our board no so said in case a war charge ya would cable no and ask cable na room where then na wutu a wodi shemu no na emma ensign emu entem the o say o try say ube secure no with high labor and ask hot glue na ayi adwuma na ebetimi ama mbema wadwuma wo ye no enye kwa this more ayi samre glue no bi ena me di eguso no me wia no makio no with curing light said the UV light said the bit me a dry na aso the same USB port no nti na just say me tip kakra person me ma want to be in case of problem be ne USB port and as a Ladebuchse asay hu kwan obefa so a obetimi affix no me tip am dey man ni fa sa kwan we so na obetimi a rescue machine no and as so you move our phone say handy bibia say laptop ubetimi assign the recover machine no and as a gerate no na wetimi assign use biem medam as say munya abotre na mo hwe video me hope say aboamo sa aboamo so amomodien na mo subscribe to my YouTube channel no said ye da nyinara se me new video a mo sabet mi aka no mo ba behwe na ebia motimi esua bibia fremu medam ase